today. It's a lovely mid-terrace cottage, 2 bedrooms on the first floor and a little dressing room as well, and a lovely modern shower bathroom. And downstairs you've got a lovely great big living room, diner, and then the kitchen, which offers plenty of space as well. There's a small utility and downstairs toilet. Outside here you've got woodshed, which I'm standing in because it's raining, and you've got a beautiful garden, good sized garden with a little stone shed down the end, and the village itself of St Stephen's has the golf course, Launceston golf course of course. So if you're into golf, this is the cottage for you. Have a watch of the video and then book a viewing.